This is the practice test for percents, and we're working on problem number 6. The problem states, what is the ratio of 18 hours to 24 hours in lowest terms? So we set up a ratio as a fraction. The 18 hours is mentioned first, so that goes on top. 24 hours is mentioned second, that goes on the bottom. But then we have to reduce this ratio to its simplest forms. If you plugged it into your calculator using the fraction key and hit the equal sign, it would automatically reduce it for you down to 3/4. And I've done it here by hand. I've broken the 18 down into an 8, or into a 6 times a 3, the 24 into a 6 times a 4. The 6's cancel on the top and bottom, and we're left with 3/4.